Hey, Blip. Anything new down there?
Tell ZEX we said hi.
Remember, this is still our secret.
I know. I promised too.
Come on, where were you and Emma that whole night?
Nowhere. It's not a big deal.
You're hiding something. I can tell. Okay, fine. But you have to promise to keep it secret. Aliens? No way! Ugh. He won't tell anyone. It's just one person. I know something S.O. cool. I probably shouldn't say more.
Why is everyone whispering about aliens today?
I might have told Marcus.
You promised, Blip, you wouldn't tell anyone.
I know. I'm sorry. That's never happened before. Answer it.
Someone found out. Commander Vorn is coming. Who's Commander Vorn? ZEX's boss. He's strict, and he's furious about the leak. Please, hurry!
We have to warn them.
Together.
Together.
We can explain later. Right now, we just need to go.
I know. Let's hurry. The hatch. Wait, is it still there? It has to be.
It's already open. That's not a good sign. Stay close, just like before.
I trust you. Something happened here.
Blip.
Let's find Blip. Quiet now.
I hear voices ahead. This wasn't like this before. Someone came in fast.
Almost there.
Stay brave. That's not ZEX's symbol. Someone else is here.
That's ZEX's voice.
Who's he talking to?
That must be Commander Vorn.
ZEX looks scared.
We need to hear what he wants.
Shh. Listen.
You let them all go. You broke protocol. I made the right choice.
Our home is dying and you handed them mercy?
Mercy is what will actually save us.
We have to help him. Wait, Dat. Not yet.
You'll return to the ship. The program restarts tonight.
You don't have to do this.
Commander Vorn, please don't...
Stand aside.
Leave him alone.
More children. How predictable. This doesn't concern you.
It does when you're hurting our friend.
Friend? We don't have time for that word anymore. Hold them there. Gently.
Ethan.
They're just children. Let them go home.
Then come with me willingly. It's all right. Go home safe.
No, wait.
This ends tonight, one way or another. I believe it will.
We have to do something.
We have to do something. We will.
He's talking to your whole town.
We need to hear this.
Everyone can hear this.
This is really bad. People are waking up.
They're scared too.
He's giving everyone a deadline.
We don't have much time.
Are you two all right?
Mom, we have so much to explain. I broke a promise, and now our friend is in danger. Then let's go fix this together.
Looks like we're not the only ones who heard that.
Then we face it together.
1. What do we do now?
We stand together. All of us.
There's something you should know about Commander Vorn.
What is it?
He already knows kindness could work. He's just too scared to trust it. He's not confused. He's just afraid.
So talking alone won't be enough this time.
We need more than words.
He needs to see it, not just hear it. See what?
That people can trust him back, if he lets them.
Then let's go tell everyone.
ZEX is the one who let you all go. Now he's in trouble for it.
Then we owe him our help. Everyone, listen, Katie, we can help fix this together. We're with you.
We have to show him we're not scared of him. We just want to talk.
That's very brave, sweetheart.
This is because of what I said, isn't it? It's because of both of us. Let's fix it together. I want to help make this right.
Then stand with us.
We go down together, or not at all.
Together.
This way. I'll show you.
Lead on.
This is really real.
Let's go find them.
This way. Quickly now.
We trust you, Blip.
It's one of Vorn's.
We're not hiding this time.
We have nothing to hide. Neither does ZEX. You brought the whole town.
We came because we believe in him. All of us.
Numbers don't change what must happen. Maybe not. But trust might. The countdown won't wait for sentiment. Time is the one thing we don't have.
You've been afraid of this exact moment for cycles now.
That's not your concern. If I'm wrong about this, there's no time left to try again. So I won't risk it.
Nobody's leaving. We're not going anywhere.
Then I'm done waiting. I'm sorry it has to be this way.
Is this it?
Not if we believe in each other.
Wait. Just look at us first. Really look.
Why does this matter so much to you?
Because ZEX changed. That has to count for something. Real bravery is standing up for someone who's changed.
Even when it costs you? Especially then. We all believe in second chances. No one is running.
Because they're brave enough to trust it will be all right.
This is my fault too. I didn't keep the secret. But please don't punish ZEX for our mistakes.
Stand down. All of you.
You did it! We did it together.
One more chance. If your way fails, I return.
I understand. Thank you.
Thank you both for believing in me twice now.
That's what friends do.
Perhaps trust is worth studying too.
It usually is.
Let's all go home and rest.
Best idea I've heard all night. Good night, and thank you for standing with us.
Always. I'm proud of how you handled tonight. I still shouldn't have told Marcus in the first place. A promise is a promise, no matter how small it feels.
I won't forget that again. Marcus wants to tell everyone at school tomorrow.
Oh, no he doesn't. Marcus, we have to keep this one secret, for real this time.
Yeah, you're right. I promise.
Good night, friends. Thank you for believing in all of us. Good night, Blip. Today was a lot.
Yeah, but we stood together the whole way. Real bravery is standing up for someone who's changed.
You did that tonight. Night, Ethan.
Night. Same time tomorrow?